Hi everyone, Charlie here, and welcome to episode 1 of the ZBrush to Maya with Ornatrix series. Here's what we'll cover in this lesson. Export a full resolution hairstyle from ZBrush with export curves. Import those curves into Maya and convert them to Ornatrix guides. Ground the guides on a scalp mesh, collapse the stack and tidy the scene. Turn the guides into render-ready hair and add extra density if needed. Run a quick Arnold GPU render to check the result. Let's return to ZBrush. Open Preview Settings and set PreViz to 100%. Click Export Curves. A warning appears. For example, 536 curves will be exported. Press OK. Choose a save location, set the file type to .ma, and export the asset. Let's jump into Maya. Go to File, Import Maya ASCII, and pick the file you just saved. When the curves finish loading, select their group. Choose Ornatrix Add Hair, select Guides from Curves, and hit Create. Hide the original curves with Ctrl-H. Keep them until we bake the stack. Let's attach the guides to the scalp. In the Ornatrix stack, open Ground Strands. Set your scalp mesh as Scalp. Turn off Ground Closest End. Press OK, then click Attach Roots. Let's collapse the stack and clean up. Add an Edit Guides modifier and choose Collapse up to here. Delete the imported curves so Maya stays responsive. Let's turn the guides into hair. Add HairFromGuides and choose the option that converts every guide to strands. If gaps appear, add another Edit Guides modifier above HairFromGuides. Select Create Brush. In Tool Settings, raise count, keep random on, lower spacing, and paint new guides. Set interpolation to strand so the new guides remain stable. Let's make a few quick grooming touch-ups. With Comb Brush, hold Shift to Marquee Select. Turn on Effect Selected Only. For smoother guide motion later, switch the brush from Optimize to Legacy. Need to ignore the back faces? Tick Ignore Back-Facing Strands. Isolate an area with Hide Non-Selected for precise edits. Let's run a fast Arnold test render. Create a sky dome light for base lighting. Assign standard surface to the scalp mesh and standard hair to the hair object. Adjust melanin for color. Switch Arnold to GPU for speed. At the top of the hair stack, enable Curve Basis, Catmull ROM, so curves render smooth, even if the viewport is low poly. That's it. Your ZBrush hairstyle is now in Maya, fully editable and ready to render in Arnold. See you in episode 2, where we'll explore the lighter curve export for leaner scenes.